Okay, next segment, we are moving on to movie mashups.
Hey.
All right, you guys ready for this? This is rated PG for excessive holiday spirit.
Oh dear God.
Backseat, soft sleigh bells ring. Dynamic voice, dramatic voice. Every year, Christmas needs a miracle. Cut to North Pole. Elves hustling through toy assembly lines. Candy canes clatter. Buddy the elf bursts through the double doors.
Oh gosh.
Buddy, Santa, I accidentally signed an NFL contract.
Accidentally?
Accidentally. Santa sighs. Smash cut. News montage. Breaking news. Strike threatens to cancel the season just before Christmas. Teams are scrambling to fill roster with replacement players. Record scratches. Cut to a dying football practice field. Winter. Snow blows sideways. Matched group of players jog half-heartedly. Coach. This team doesn't need to cheer. We need yards. Buddy jogs onto the field wearing a helmet over his green elf hat. Buddy beaming. Hi, I'm Buddy. I love football and smiles. Oh, and smiling. Smiling's my favorite. Players stare. Music kicks in. Orchestral remix of the Jingle Bell Rocks is playing in the background. Montage. Practice chaos. Buddy sprints past defenders fueled by maple syrup. He high-fives everyone.
Sugar and syrup?
He high-fives everyone mid-play. Accidentally helps the opponent up during live drills. Coaches are arguing. Assistant coach. He didn't know the playbook. Head coach. Yes, but he believes in it. A quiet moment in the locker room. Players sit silence, heads down. Buddy stands. With the soft and sincere, he says, back home, Santa says the best way to spread Christmas cheer is believing in the person next to you. Lyman, next thing you know, you see a lineman wipes his eyes. New montage of team transformation. Snow games, trick play labeled Operation Sugar Plum. Buddy is blocking twice his size. Crowd is chanting, elf, elf, elf. Cut to the final game. Christmas Eve. Stadium lights glow. Snow is falling. Scoreboard flashes. Final drive. 12 seconds left. Quarterback nervous. Buddy, what route? Buddy grins. The one where we believe really hard.
Oh, I thought it was going to be Throne of Lies.
Slow motion play. Buddy runs, slips, pops up, catches the ball in the end zone. Touchdown. Crowd erupts. Fireworks, snow. Christmas bells going off. Tag scenes, rapid cuts. Buddy signing autographs with crayons. Santa watching the game on TV, smiling. Buddy Spike celebrates, then apologizes to the ball. The coach finally smiles. Title card. Here's the name of your show. Elf on the practice squad.
Oh dear God.
This Christmas, belief is the best play call.
Nice.
Last line, button joke comes in here. Buddy looks at the camera. Does this mean I made the nice list? Sleigh bells fade into the background with crowd noise.